Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Blessings to everyone. If you live in a situation where you cannot hear the birds, you have a high probability to have a depression. If you live in a situation where you are not anymore aware about where the sun rises or the sun sets, yeah, probably also you live in a very suffering mode. And if you live in a situation where you're not aware which phase of the moon we have, is it full moon, is it new moon, is it a quarter, is it 2/3, and so on, then most probably your level of relationships is also very conflicted. Yeah. And you can say this is might be too general or too in not precise enough. Yeah. But you see, we are much more affected by the sun, the moon, and nature than we would think. No. We live at any moment in the belly of our planet Earth. Yeah. That in many traditions it's called the mother. Yeah. And not being consciously aware, here sings a bird, not being consciously aware, there is the moon shining, not being consciously aware where the sun stands during the whole day. This means being very, very disconnected. And nothing can come out good of being disconnected from those major influences that are really important for us. No. So before you think in all kinds of psychological directions, try this. Search for the horizon at the point where the sun rises and where the sun sets. And make sure that you know these two directions. At least once a day, notice there is a bird singing. And try at least every second, third, or once a week at the maximum to know where the moon is in which phase. And doing so, a change in you will happen, a kind of reset in you will happen. You won't lose anything, but you can gain a lot. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.